Hi, thanks for clicking on this video. Today, I will show you how to add someone's story to your story on Instagram. Make sure to subscribe to fix it for more tutorials. So the first step is open up Instagram app. On the top you can see there is a story shared by someone. Open it. At the bottom of the story, you will see a paper plane icon. Tap on it. Now you will see various options at the bottom, but there is no option of sharing a story on your own Instagram account as a story. There is no way of sharing someone else's story until and unless you are tagged in it. But you can share any random post on Instagram as your story if the account is public or is in your followers. If this tutorial helped you today, make sure to subscribe to fix it. Leave a comment below on what you want to see next.